Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of sports gear, specifically looking at what could arguably be the best T-ball helmets for kids aged 3 to 5 on the market right now. Whether your little one is just starting out or is a seasoned player, finding the right helmet is crucial for their safety and comfort. This T-ball helmet isn't just any helmet, it's designed with young athletes in mind. It's lightweight, ensuring your child can move freely without feeling weighed down. The adjustable features guarantee a snug fit, which is essential for both safety and ease of wear. What sets this helmet apart are the fun color choices and vibrant designs, making it a hit among young players. It's not just about safety, it's about making sure they feel excited and comfortable every time they put it on. With over positive reviews, it's clear that parents and guardians alike trust this helmet to protect their little ones during playtime. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some of those who've already experienced it firsthand. Parents rave about its durability and ease of adjustment, ensuring that it grows with your child. Plus, the lightweight build means they can focus on having fun without distractions. Whether they're swinging for the fences or just starting to learn the basics, this helmet provides the protection they need with the style they'll love. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products you care about. Until next time, keep playing safe and having fun.